Hi, parents and students. My name is Tanya Smith. I am one of the administrators here at Enloe Magnet High School. This is such an exciting year. We're back in the building. We're doing in-person learning and instruction. We are tapping into our four C's of critical thinking, creative thinking, communication, and collaboration. And I have to tell you, our students here have been absolutely amazing. So thank you for your support and allowing us to support your student while they're here at Enloe Magnet High School. I actually oversee the alphabet discipline from PAR through SM. Also, I oversee our special programs department as well as our physical education department. Likewise, I work in connection with other administrators throughout the building in reference to making sure that our child and nutrition program is functioning and has the support it needs. Working with our Second Chance Breakfast program, working with our Media Center specialists to update our website with the most recent information to share with parents as well as the community, as well as working with our advisors that oversee our student clubs. We look forward to this being an incredible academic school year and amazing learning and development taking place. If there's any questions you have, anything that I can do to support your student while he or she is here at Enloe, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. I can be reached at tsmith18 at wcpss.net. Thanks a lot, and let's have a great school year. Bye.